In this video, I'll guide you through how to make calls from Zoho CRM. If you're using Zoho to manage your leads and contacts, being able to call them directly from the CRM can save you a lot of time and help keep all your communication in one place. We'll move step by step through the process, so even if you're new to Zoho CRM, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com. This is the main login page for Zoho CRM. If you're not already signed in, enter your login credentials and access your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace or organization if you have access to more than one, so that the contacts you want to call are visible. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, look toward the top navigation bar. You'll see a number of options there, and for this process, we're going to focus on the sales area. Click on the option labeled Sales. This area contains most of your core sales tools, including leads, deals, and contacts, and it's where you'll be able to access the records you want to call. After you've opened the sales section, you'll see different modules such as leads, accounts, and others, depending on how your Zoho CRM is set up. For this tutorial, we're going to work specifically with contacts. Find and click on contacts. This will bring up a list of all the contacts stored in your CRM. You can scroll through the list, use filters, or use the search bar to find a specific person you want to call. When you've located the contact you want to reach, click on that contact's name to open their full record. This will take you to a detailed view showing their information such as company email, and most importantly for this tutorial, their phone number. Take a second to confirm that the number saved in the record is accurate and includes the correct country or area code, especially if you're working with international contacts. With the contact record open, look for the phone number field. Next to the phone number, you should see a small call icon. This icon is usually shaped like a phone handset. To start a call, simply click on that call icon. Zoho CRM will then use your configured telephony or phone integration to place the call. Depending on how your system is set up, the call might route through Zoho's own phone bridge or through a connected phone service provider. While the call is being placed, you might see a small pop-up window or panel in Zoho CRM showing the call status. This is a helpful place to jot down quick notes during or immediately after the conversation. Keeping notes right on the contact record means that anyone else on your team can see the history of the interaction, and you'll have a clear record to refer back to later. And that's all there is to it. You go to crm.zoho.com, head to the sales area, open your contacts, select the contact you want to reach, and click the call icon next to their phone number. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick part of your workflow, helping you move from contact to contact without leaving Zoho CRM.